Welcome back. Thank you very much for the Makara Rashi prediction. Now, I would like you to talk about the next Rashi, the Kumbha Rashi, for the year 2021.
Yeah. Kumbha Rashi is called Aquarius in English. So, when we are giving the predictions, not by sun signs, by moon sign only. So, sun signs are different and moon signs are different. So, our Indian astrology based on the moon signs. So, Kumbha Rashi, very often we use that Indian language also in English. Now, the Kumbha Rashi, it's called intellectuals. That's a single word description of Aquarius. Out of all the 12 zodiac signs, the Aquarius has the extraordinary sensual conduction and intellectuality to execute the right and possible things in the practical life. So they just like that come to know that whether this is possible or not. They are very much analytical. Normally they do well in mathematics and accounts. And they are the people of good calculations and planning. So, dear Aquarius, welcome for the New Year prediction 2021. So, the general predictions we will share with them. Generally, the Kumbha Rashi is very much alert, cautious, we can say. Your abilities now, it is the time to use your abilities, because 12th house is Saturn along with Jupiter. The 4th house is occupied by Rahu. Then the 10th house is occupied by Ketu. By considering all the 3 planets and 4 planets, let us discuss your 2021 predictions. So generally 12th house is expenditures and a lot of sleep, travel, and also restlessness. Whether the 12th house is going to give you the good sleep or sleeplessness, that can be identified by the 12th house. So one sleep provider is also located and activeness provider is also located. Activeness provider is Jupiter, sleep provider and toxin provider is Saturn. So here what happened, we will have to go in depth so that we can understand who is going to initiate sleep when and who is going to initiate the activeness and when. Why they are initiating also we can understand. So the Rahu and the Ketu, when the Ketu is located on your 10th house, that is your karmic place and your action place, job related places, the Ketu is not a material planet, so that is going to involve you or utilize your time into non-material activity, non-productive things like an entertainment or wasting your time simply without any benefit for you. And this is the one. The second, the 4th house, Rahu is located. Rahu is a destroyer, we say that, malefic planet. So, one malefic planet, Saturn, is in 12th house. Another malefic planet, Rahu, is in the 4th house. Rahu is as equal as Saturn. Shanivat Rahu, Kujavat Ketu. That is the similarity. Means comparison. Kuja is equal to Ketu. Ketu is equal to Kuja.
So the properties also will be very similar for them?
Similar properties, and their nature is property. Nature is as it is. So the Rahu in 4th house, that is also going to create the obstacles on your enjoyments and comforts. So Rahu Ketu is also not giving you the comfort zone now, as well as the Jupiter Saturn, the both is also not giving the possible benefits. So what you need to understand is, here when you look at Rahu, there should be a caution. This side also there will be a threat. Back side also there will be a threat. So from three directions, you have weakness and threat, which are all executed by those major planetary positions. Sun, Mercury, Mars, and the Venus, they are all changing the places monthly once, so that I have not taken them into an account to decide major predictions or major changes in your life. Moon is once in 2.25 days, it changes the sign, so that I have not included Moon also. So the major planets are them. So they are going to be a decider of any prediction, so that I have taken only these 4 planets. Right. Now, dear Aquarius viewers, so your predictions, like from the 3 directions, all not positive.
Oh.
So the first thing is your expenditures will be uncontrollable. The second will be that you will be tempted for unwanted things. Many more criteria will initiate you to be imbalanced on your emotion. Control of your emotions are not possible. So you may not be having that proper sleep or rest. And whatever the deal or transaction you are going to make, you will perform very well. But what happens? That performance cannot be gained with the right and equal benefits. So that more efforts or more involvement, time, money, everything will be spent on, but the equal benefits are not seen. Equal means the financial benefits also, or you may not be rewarded equally. You may not have the recognition during your job, or whatever the achievement you do, that cannot be recognized. And when the people are taking your work in the teamwork, they will put their name, or you will work hard to get the good name for others. That is the possibility. And when you are a businessman, some of the disturbances because of over expenditures, environmental factors, this and that criteria, so finally there will not be any feasibility to encash your effort. When the ladies, they are not able to be happy or relaxed. So one after another, the work will be on you as a sequence of pressure that cannot be addressed properly. Small mistake will lead you to get into big losses. Pleased to hear this. The children, their efforts may not be getting the right reward, and also the health related issues. The infants, toddler, pre-adolescents. So these children, see, very sincerely, when you wanted to speak, like the children, like infants, they are not able to express what they are going with.
True.
What they experience. So the newborn babies, infants, please, if they are born in Aquarius, so those babies need to be cared, need to be handled very sincerely and with a lot of care and attention, because they may undergo very often the health related tasks, because the health related issues very often that may come up. And very importantly, 12th house to the Kumbha Rashi is Makara, that is Capricorn. The 12th house from this Aquarius is occupied by Saturn and Jupiter. See, on February, the 6 planets are coming to the 12th house.
There's again a 6 planet conjunction.
Yes. See, this point I need to discuss with you, because this is very important to all Kumbha Rashi and Makara Rashi people. See, especially Kumbha Rashi, I am very much focused on the psychological health of Kumbha Rashi, because they are psychologically strong people.
Okay.
So when you are not listening this point, that should not become a problem to you. So that I would like to share this information with you. See, 12th house, all 6 planets are going to be there. The attack on the place of the 12th house is called place of moksha, salvation and sleep,
Okay.
place of next birth,
Okay.
and we say that punarjanmam, next birth, and the place of the thought process
Okay.
where it takes place, and the place of dreams. That is the dream related place according to astrology. What happens here when the 6 planets are crowded in Makar Rashi, that is the earth sign, and you are Aquarius, your sleep or dreams related place, all the 6 planets, they are going to initiate the dreams or thought processes. They are going to pull you towards 6 type of the expenditure sources. They will give you 6 type of reasons to spend money, right? They will pull you this place, that direction, this directions within the available resources. Which expenditures you will be aware of or to attend depends on the priority. So many resources, many reasons, many criterias will target you to spend money. That is how. So everyone has our own limitations on spending. So everyone has our own the limited financial flow in this COVID period and all. So when you know this, when you are aware of this, you can prioritize yourself and plan for the according to the priority. Second point in the same 6 planetary conjunction, the psychologically you will be disturbed. 12th house, the moksha sthanam, is occupied by malefic and benefic planets
Together?
Jupiter and Venus, opposite planets, anti-planets on each other. Saturn is a malefic.
Malefic.
Okay, Sun is a benefic planet, partly. These are all will create unconducive, non-conducive, uncompatible energy. The Capricorn is receiving uncompatible and mixed energy vibrations. That has become your 12th house. Dreams initiation place, that is. Thought process center, that is the 12th house. So psychological imbalance, forgetting nature. You cannot access from your memory whatever is stored for the asked question. And an unwanted time in later part, that answer will be coming not at the time of requirement. So when the question is asked, a student cannot access the answer and explain.
Oh.
At the same time, when the boy or girl arrives to home, then that thought comes.
Oh, this was the answer.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is the use? Because of the confusion from all 6 planetary positions. So these are all imbalance on emotions. And that's going to create phobias. So this is the point I would like to tell you. In infants, unseen phobias are possible to come to the mind. Infants cannot explain you. So they will cry and cry a lot. Here the energy works, understand? The energy works in such a way the child is initiated by a different type of thought process because of the 12th house 6 planetary conjunction. This is in January and February, the influences will be there on the infants who has born under Aquarius sign, moon sign. So kindly, please understand these are all the energy related impact. Better to seek the energy related remedies. By the end of this video, I will give you the remedies. This is a big impact. And the same thing, 12th house, all the planetary impact on the student, confusions and phobias. On the women, imbalances for their choices or unfavorable choices. And choosing the unwanted criteria. And even in men, choosing the unwanted thing, which is not going to be benefited, that type of the choice will be taken. So the effort is wasted.
So, but how about their intellect? So, we were talking about their intellectuality. So, will it help them at least a little bit?
It's a very nicely asked. This is because the thought processing place itself, the 6 planets are located. That's going to overpower the intellect of the Aquarius.
Oh.
They will control. The individual intelligence or the abilities cannot work on the time. That is the thing.
Okay. Yeah. So, but there are both beneficial and malefic planet in the conjunction.
Yes.
So, is there any criteria where one planet can actually influence the other planet?
Yeah, sure. Obviously, Sun is the highly level of influencer. When any other planet nears the Sun, they will be combust, like fired. They will not have any value. So, the Sun, he is going to be there for 1 month, that's all. So, from January 14th to February 14th, that is the duration. In between February 9th, this is the incident, 6 planetary alignment, it means conjunction, it happens. So, that overload, even the Aquarius, though they are intellect, they are not able to resist. So, this is what sometimes wrong decisions or even some wrong thoughts, negative thoughts will be coming. Okay? Somebody may get into the heights of the phobias. That will lead to take some injurious decision, wrong thoughts. So the Aquarius people need to be very careful during this period.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but there are 3 stars.
Yeah.
Or rather 2 1/4 to be technically correct.
Correct.
So, how does it affect these stars now?
Yeah, this is correctly you have asked. What happens? The Dhanishta Nakshatram, 3rd and 4th pada, that is Avitam. Sadayam full, all full 4 padam. Puratadi or Purvabhadra, that star, first 3 quarters. This belongs to Aquarius. So, when we look at the Dhanishta or Avitam, so they are, as I said, they are physically very much energized, enthusiastic, aggressive. Okay, this aggression, along with confused mind, just you think, aggression with the confused mind. How
Very
that
deadly
would
combination.
Yeah, this is how they may tend to get into some problem. So anger, aggression, these are all the expressions. Over enthusiastic nature, these are all going to give them unwanted problem. Better to be very careful while choosing the friends, while you get along with the friends in a crowded place. Or long journey along with the friends, bikers. See, last year, I was advising a person that who belongs to the same constellation. So they had a biker club.
Oh,
they have.
okay.
They all were all racing bikes. They went and along with the friends, and he has been injured very much dangerously in skull and all, got into problem. So, see, when we say that aggression and confusion, what it leads? Instability, unconsciousness. So, wrong decision. Then, if a person is confused, if he is aggressive, he is tend to listen to his senses, which is tempted. 2, 3, 4 friends are encouraging them to go for a ride. This person, what he will do? he will also join. The problem comes to him because of the planetary positions are not supporting. So these are all the things we have seen, and we are looking day by day many incidents. So when an advice is given or a consultation is given, that has to be taken. Kumbh Rashi people are nice people. If there is something good, they will take it. So that please not to miss all these points. And when it comes to Satabisha or Sadayam or Chadayam Nakshatram, these Satabisha people, what happens, they are brilliant. Brilliant means to the core. Their patience, focus, we can give Nobel Prize for them. Such a brilliant people. So that is the focus. You can see a lot of auditors, researchers, scientists, and focusful work. Whoever does, they are successful. You can see they are the people from the Satabisha Nakshatra. So, such a powerful people, they are very much wise enough to understand what is going on. Because their all senses are alert enough to grasp.
Okay.
Simply they will be looking at one place, but their ears will be listening. Even all the five senses will be positively alert. That is the beauty of the Satabisha Nakshatra. So, they are, when they have that special quality, without the emotional negative impact, so they are able to overcome this. So because of their alertness, the understanding, and that's going to make them to take some proper action. So they are very much visionary people. So if I take this action, the reaction will be like that. So these are all the technology they are very much comfortable with. So they can escape because of their own abilities and stuff. Then the Purvabhadra Nakshatra people. Purvabhadra Nakshatra, it's pity on them. They are intellect, but highly emotional, sensitive. But they are giving, they are possible to, they are also researchers, they are teachers, advisor to others, consultant. These are all the nice qualities are there. But when the advice is needed, they can provide the right advice to others. When they need some advice, it is very difficult. Their advice cannot be useful for them. Because their approach is totally different. There is a very big difference between how they give the advice, how they approach the advice. The approach towards the advice is sensually. They will take the decisions not intellectually or not logically or conceptually.
Okay. Whereas Satabisha uses it intellectually.
Intellectual, they will take the decisions sensually.
Okay.
That is the thing. That is the big difference between this and that.
சம்ருதி மூலிகை தீபஎண்ணெய் நல்லதே நினைப்போம் நல்லதே செய்வோம் நல்லதே நடக்கும் சம்ருதி மூலிகை தீபதைலம்.
So the Purvabhadra star people, sensually they are taking the decisions so that they can pick up the wrong decisions. Because they are emotional, sensitive. They are attached towards a lot of things. Especially Purvabhadra people has a quality of watching many movies.
Okay.
They may be like especially encyclopedia of movies or serial watching. These are all the habits are more in the Purvabhadra Nakshatra people. Even in male, who are all watching more TV shows or something like that, you can find I am Purvabhadra. Like so they are sensually. They like that sensual attack. So movie is nothing but sound, light, attractive subject. So for the mind, for the sound, for the light, okay, all the three senses are occupied. So these people are allowing them to occupy me, please take care of me. They allow themselves.
They identify themselves with the values.
Because you please rule me. That is the thing.
Okay.
So rule me, I'm ready because I like you. So this is the nature the Purabhadra people has. So the time will be spent more on like entertainments, emotionally and celebrations. So time will be wasted and lot of losses, incurring losses opportunity also there for the Purabhadra men or businessmen. So need to be cared. Yeah.
But now we talked about the conjunction. The conjunction is going to predict their tough times, at least in the month of January and February. After that, will the time improve? Because it's one entire year of predictions we are talking about. So how is it going to help them to understand for the next 1 year? Will it be the same? Will it be different? Will it be better?
This conjunction is there for a day, no? 1 day or 2 days. Because it depends on the moons. Moon is going to stay there for 2 days and 2.25 days. So after 2 days, the moon will be
Moving out.
So after a few days, some other 3 planets will be there. But whatever the impact is happened on that damages may be there for some years or a few months. That is the impact. So conjunction or the many planetary alignment, they are all coming in the same degree. The impact on that particular time, they possess the combined radiation towards the earth. The person who was born on that particular time, who is receiving that conjunction combined energy, that impact is totally difficult and that is not positive.
For the entire year.
Yeah.
For the entire. Okay. So now we have talked about how much of care that an Aquarius sign has to take. Can you please share with them the remedies?
Sure. The remedial measures. First, I would like to go for infants. So, infant, kindly light lamps regularly without any missing day. So, regularly, better to light lamps at home. In puja room, even in entrance, it is very much required. I have not spoken any lighting lamp at main entrance, but Kumbha Rashi people, they need it. During morning or evening, or at least evening hours, better to light lamps both side of the main entrance. Okay, by using Samrakshana Deepatailam, that is the protection oil. That is a special one for the entrance. Samruddhi can be for the puja room, and especially my suggestion for the Kumbha Rashi, the Shanishwara Shanti Deepam oil is an effortless remedy. Just to switch on one Deepam, like put the oil, just light it, let it run for the whole day. That is the light particles are going to be a protection shield to cover you or to protect you from the Saturn's negative impacts. And then there will not be any psychological problem. And also for the infants, this will be a great remedy. When the comfortable energy flow is around the infants, they will sleep comfortably.
So no phobias.
Yes. No thought process, thought patterning will not be there. Negative dreams, negative thoughts will not be there. Because when the negative energy is on play, so negative thoughts are induced. The negative energies are away and the positive energies are or comfortable soothing energies are around the child will be sleeping deeply. So there was an incident, one man brought a young couple to me that the complaint was the child was not sleeping since 3 days.
Oh my God. Okay.
So a terrible cry. And then the child was taken to the doctor. They have given some treatment. When the treatment is very much influencing on the child, that child sleeps. As soon as that medicine loses its energy on the child, then it starts to cry. That is when the child and the parents is introduced to me through my old customer. And then I found the horoscope, that is the child mind is very much chaotic because of the energy system which that child was undergoing. I gave a simple remedy to I gave only 1 or 2 points, that's all.
Hmm.
The
The
mother-
parents to the
yeah, parents.
Hmm.
So, mother's sari has to be used, old sari,
Hmm.
previous day used sari,
Hmm.
that should be a cotton
Hmm.
with such and such a color.
Hmm.
Use this color sari, cotton sari in daytime.
Hmm.
Night time, use this sari as a blanket to the child.
Oh.
That is number one.
Hmm.
And number second, the light
Hmm.
protection.
Hmm.
And number three,
Hmm.
so you have to sleep with your child only,
Hmm.
to the mother.
Something like a security blanket.
Yes. So I understood the problem of the child through the horoscope. So the child is feeling insecure.
Hmm.
The planets are initiating the negative thoughts or fear or some thought generation negatively, bad dreams or something. So that I asked the mother to sleep with the child following this type of instruction. The same day the child slept very nicely without medication.
Oh.
That has been continued. The child has come out from all the problem. So this has to be. This is a proved incident. Why I am
Fantastic.
very much curious about infant is they cannot explain.
Correct.
So what is going on, and sometimes it's very difficult to understand even from the doctor side. So the energy medicines will be very much helpful to them. Then the pre-adolescent children, for them, you need to play with the food only, because food, the proper food is sattvic food, non-spicy, non-sour, and with less salt. When you manage in this food, this can control their vata pitta status, and this can control their rajasic nature, this can control the tamasic nature. So a lot of sattvic energies has to be imbibed now. This will work like a epigenetics programming to the mind. This will become a ritual or custom, so that these customs has to be followed in the food. Just practice the children with the lesser salt and non-spicy food in this time. That's very important. So please watch your children, whether as an infant or up to the teenage group. Please watch them, their toilet habits are proper or not. Whether they simply go to the toilet and comes out, done like that. They may not be very comfortably flushed out. So simply because of the pressure, they would have gone inside and came out. I have seen a lot of children, I know very well. So that this also happens.
So the constipation could be
Yes.
one of the problems.
This will be developed, constipation will be developed during this period. That is why I insist on that point. So the constipation, indigestion, that is the unavoidable problem during this year. Very often you need to check your children. You can check their face itself. Many of the Aquarius children can develop around the teenage people. They can develop a lot of pimples and also white spots in the face. Around the neck, some color change, skin color change, skin color become dull. And also eyesight will be looking like stressful eyes.
Okay.
These are all the
Okay.
things, yeah. And they may be scratching their heads, means their thighs or hand or something like that. These are all the signs. Because that toxins are more accumulating, and they are not able to cleanse it properly.
Okay.
And after the 5-6 year, mothers are not giving birth nowadays, you know.
Okay.
Mothers are busy in their job or something like that. Mothers are not able to give the bath to the children, so ask them to take bath by self. But they may not be able to, even external cleansing or internal cleansing, they don't know how to. So that these are all the areas they need support. That's all. For the old age people, means elders or middle aged people, health wise, imbalances on emotions may be disturbing the health, that may be disturbing the stomach and the joints. The back pain or joint pains are possible because joint around the area, the Saturn's influence is there. and that's going to impact you a lot, even for the elders. So this is the way it works.
Oh, okay. So now, a simple remedy in terms of being aware of one's own physical self and also lighting all the 3 oil-based lamps.
Yeah.
That is the Samruddhi, Samrakshana, and the Shanishwara Shanti Deepa Taila.
Yes.
Most of the ill effects of this particular planetary transition can be.
This works as a effortless remedy.
Yeah, that's right.
And the food I told.
Food.
I told that non-toxic food. Even junk food. Junk food should be avoided. Like maida-based food should be avoided because that will aggravate the constipation. And
Any specific colors for them, sir?
yeah, sure. The Aquarius people, they need to use a lot of orange color. Because orange color, that is the color for the Manipura chakra, the stomach chakra. Stomach chakra, there is Jadaragni. This Jadaragni should be in the proper way to digest. So, for that the Manipura chakra should have that ability to process it. For that the orange color will be suitable.
Okay.
Okay. And then a red color dot or red color a stripe can be on the bedspread. So that is also the bedspread, whatever the child whoever sleeps, just below the navel level, the red color should be there. In such a way, if you see that the bedsheet is made or it is arranged to sleep, what happens, the lower chakra, the basic chakra, that is called Muladhara chakra, will have that effect through the red color.
Okay.
So red color is for the Muladhara chakra. So the stability, whatever the confusions the planetary positions are initiating, they will have their own stability when they use this red color patches below the waist. And also one more small remedy, this is very effective. And the inner one, who are born under the Aquarius sign, moon sign, now you have to use that inner word should be a red color or orange color. So that's going to help a lot. Whether you use as a bedsheet or not, that is secondary. Inner word, this is excellent remedy, better to use it. And then greens and raw vegetables as a food, as a breakfast, very often consuming the fresh fruit juice, not packaged old juices. No, not with the preservatives. Fresh juice has to be consumed. These are all oil bath.
For
Till
them
oil,
too.
yes, till oil bath is okay for them. Any nakshatra, till oil bath is good. And coconut oil is also good. They can use this. Yes.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you so much, because all the remedies that you have suggested right now can be done on a daily basis or as a ritual.
Yeah.
Whether it is the clothes you wear or the food you eat or the spread that you use to sleep, all of them are very, very effortless, very practical and easily doable. And if this is all is the effort that is going to take for the Kumbha Rashi to avoid the ill effects of this transition,
Yes.
I think they have all the luck in the world and the opportunity in the world to overcome any challenge.
Sure.
Thank you very much and best wishes. Await the next prediction for the
ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ದೀಪತೈಲ. ಒಳಿತನ್ನೇ ಯೋಚಿಸೋಣ, ಒಳಿತನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಳಿತೇ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಬಳಸಿ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ದೀಪದ ಎಣ್ಣೆ.